People get very stressed out when they talk about nutrition and they talk about diet. We are simplifying the entire thing for them.
Taking a proactive approach to health is what is necessary to make the changes that we need to do for the people in our country.
This is not a diet. It's not, a fad diet where you're going to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks. We're not advocating weight loss. We're advocating overall health and wellness.
People are able to track their calories, their fats, carbs, and their proteins, and they're also able to get real-time feedback from our experts that work at MD Revolution.
As a member of our nutrition team, I work with people to figure out what little problems we can change that if they stick with it will result in big changes over time.
As a RevUp metabolic specialist, I am monitoring the participants' exercise routine. So ultimately, I'm looking at their interval training, I'm looking at how many steps they're taking per day, I'm looking at how many active minutes they get throughout their day.
The messaging that we give to people is very effective. We give them 1 or 2 tips to work on per week, and those tips are translating into healthier habits in the long run.
So maybe this week it's cutting back on the soda they drink. Maybe have 1 soda instead of 2. Next week it'll cut back 2 sodas. Maybe the week after that, we're working on switching over refined grains to whole grain. We give you realistic strategies to approach your nutrition.
Our intervals allow for anywhere from a 20-minute to a 40-minute workout. You're burning more calories, and actually your caloric burn following that workout is greater when you do interval training versus just doing a steady state workout.
The RevUp user can be assured that the experience is going to be enjoyable. They're going to want to engage with their nutrition coach, and they're going to want to get the feedback, and they're going to want to interact and ask questions because we're there for you. We're there to support you all the way through it.
I had one person in particular confide in me a lot of personal struggles that she was having, and she said that RevUp is the one thing that she can do for herself right now that is not a huge time commitment, but is really focusing on herself. It's taking one thing that she can control that nothing else affects, and that's her health.
Hearing them say that they get it when they finally feel that they have been empowered and they understand what it takes to be healthy and that it's achievable for them.
Those are things you can't measure, but you can tell when you're interacting with somebody and getting that feedback. And I think it's definitely motivating for the individual as well because they can kind of see that they can do it and they can be successful and happy.